Explore the biography of the famous person in minutes. Nelson Mandela. Early life. Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela was born on July 18, 1918, in Mvezo, a small village in South Africa. He was part of the Thembu royal family and grew up in a traditional culture. Mandela received his early education at home and later went to the University of Fort Hare, where he studied law. He continued his studies at the University of Witwatersrand, where he became committed to fighting for social justice. Anti-Apartheid Activism. Mandela's political journey began when he joined the African National Congress, ANC, in 1944. He was a founding member of the ANC Youth League, which pushed for active resistance against apartheid. In 1961, he helped start Umkhonto weSizwe, the armed wing of the ANC, aimed at sabotaging government targets to oppose the oppressive system. Incarceration. Mandela's activism led to his arrest in 1962. He was tried in the Rivonia trial and sentenced to life in prison for his actions against apartheid. From 1964 to 1982, he was held at Robben Island, where he faced harsh treatment and forced labor. His strength during this time became a symbol of the fight against apartheid. After Robben Island, Mandela was moved to Pollsmoor Prison and later to Victor Verster Prison. Despite offers for his release that required him to renounce violence, Mandela refused, believing he could only negotiate as a free man. Release and Presidency. On February 11, 1990, Mandela was released from prison amid growing pressure to end apartheid. His release was a key moment in South African history. Soon after, he became a leader in talks to end apartheid, meeting with then-President Frederick Willem de Klerk to discuss how to create a democratic government. In April 1994, the ANC won South Africa's first multiracial elections, and Mandela was sworn in as the country's first black president on May 10, 1994. His presidency focused on reconciliation and building a united nation, working to heal the wounds of apartheid. Legacy and later life. After stepping down as president, Mandela continued to advocate for social justice and human rights worldwide. He set up the Truth and Reconciliation Commission in 1995 to investigate human rights abuses during apartheid, promoting healing among South Africans. In 1999, he founded the Nelson Mandela Foundation, which focuses on issues like HIV/AIDS and education. Mandela received many awards, including the Nobel Peace Prize in 1993, which he shared with Frederick Willem de Klerk for their efforts to end apartheid peacefully. Death and global recognition. Nelson Mandela passed away on December 5, 2013, at the age of 95. His legacy lives on, celebrated through events like Mandela Day on July 18, which encourages community service and social justice. In 2024, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization named several important sites related to Mandela's life and the fight against apartheid as World Heritage Sites, highlighting his impact on human rights and inspiring future generations. Nelson Mandela's life was marked by his strong commitment to justice, equality, and healing. His journey from prisoner to president shows the power of resilience and the human spirit against oppression. Today, his legacy continues to inspire efforts for justice and equality around the world, proving that one person's vision can change history.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, We would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.